Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you allow replies only from your following list into Binance. Means how to block all the replies from the unknown peoples into your Binance. If you want to know, then watch this video till the end. In order to do that, you just simply have to open your Binance application at very first and then tap to this little yellow icon into the top left corner. Then after that, select Square, and after going into Square, you will get to see a bunch of options into here. Now you just simply have to select your profile into the bottom right corner, and after selecting that, you will get to see this setting option directly. Tap to setting into the top right side, and after tapping in there, you will get to see the option of reply controls. Tap to reply controls, and after tapping into reply controls, you will get to see this option of allow replies from. Just simply tap to that option, and as you can see here, I have set my allows replies in everyone, means everyone can reply to my comments and messages. Now in order to set this at only followers, just simply tap to this everyone and then tap to my followers. This way you can easily block the replies from unknown persons. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.